Friday, the 28th of April, 2023. About 6:30, 7 o'clock. We are running the 97 Cherokee, charging up the battery on the 95 Grand Cherokee. This is a DieHard review. This is the second DieHard I've had. The first one lasted a year and a half. This one has lasted a year. It should still be good, but and I don't drive either one of these that much anymore, but I drive both of them enough to keep the battery charged up. So I don't have much of anything good to say about these new DieHards. Once Sears went out of business and they sold the name, it's sort of like Craftsman. Craftsman isn't the same anymore, and DieHard isn't either. So we're going to let it charge up just a minute and go ahead and crank that 95 up and let it run, charge up the battery a bit. Now this one is a NAPA Legend, the top-end NAPA battery. It has been replaced once as well. It's about 3 years old now, so it is doing better than this DieHard. But we'll see how this goes. It may be charged up enough now to crank. We'll see. This Jeep has 400,000 miles on it. Hadn't been cranked in a little while. Let's see if it's got enough juice in it to crank it now. Okay. Cranked up. No smoke, no smoke. This is old Chrysler 318 to 5.2. We'll have to stick our key in to turn the security system off. Let it charge up a little bit. There you can see it's got 452 miles on it. 400,052. Check out that oil pressure too. Yeah, we'll have to stick our key in to turn it. We'll go ahead and turn that Cherokee off over there and use that key to, or our key on that ring to turn off the security. Okay, we've hooked up the battery charger to this one. We've disconnected the battery cables, and so we're just charging the battery separate. And it is charging right now at 16.2, 15.9 amps. So we will let it, and it is showing it's got about 30% charge. I did drive it around the block for maybe 5, 6, 7 miles. So we're going to give it a real good charge though. Let it charge up good. Maybe it'll hold, I don't know. Well, like I said, so far these DieHards have disappointed me greatly.